Hello, my name is Azucena Villegas, and the career path that I chose is known as supply chain management. Typically, what a supply chain management does is that they manage the flow of goods and services that involve the movement of either storage of raw materials or inventory that is already working in progress or already finished goods that can be from going from the store or to the industry to the consumers. Normally, what the type of job duties that they do is that they try to minimize the shortages and they try to keep the cost down for consumers to be able to purchase. It's not only about logistics and purchasing inventory. They also make recommendations to improve the product, the quality, where they can get it that would be cheaper, or the efficiency of the operations to also make it cheaper. So typically, I am a careful and thoroughly type of person. I don't always just jump to the conclusion. I always research my options. I look to see what is the best way to benefit me or my surroundings. I also look at my information carefully. I typically don't always, let's say, accept that information. I kind of do my own research to make sure to confirm that information that I receive is accurate. And typically, how that would benefit me into the supply chain management industry is that business firms actually look for that kind of qualities for a person, and yeah. And so, because I'm that kind of person that's curious and also wants to learn new things, and I typically get bored when it's the same routine every single time. I always like it when it's new things, trying to learn new things, to challenge myself, and and having this type of career will actually help me because every day it's always a new technique being learned, trying to figure out ways on how to find ways how to get inventory from other locations, how to make the business better, how to get supplies from different locations that will actually benefit the industry. Some of the advantages of working with in the supply chain management is that I actually get to travel around the globe. I go around the globe to look at other businesses, other industries, and to see like which company will actually benefit us and will actually be cheaper for us to manufacture inventory and utilities. Because, like I said, this type of career path typically challenges people for new business techniques. Again, I'm never going to be bored there, and it's always going to keep me hands on. And also get to meet many other business people with also their own type of personality and techniques that they learned throughout their career path. Some of the disadvantages, however, is that the statistics and information that is needed there, it has to be very accurate. If it's not accurate, it's gonna wreak havoc in that business because if we don't get the right statistics or information that we need to say get the supplies or distribute those supplies, it can actually hurt the business. However, to get the degree of supply chain management, it does require extensive training and planning for you to become a supply chain management. Their salary normally begins for undergraduates at 50,000 annually. Their job outlook is actually very demanding currently in our economy. However, it has a pretty slow growth, and so by the time it's say in the year 2024, it's not going to be as much demanding. So yeah, so the education that is needed to get a supply chain degree, you need at least a bachelor's degree. You can also get a master's, for better pay and whatnot. And so, but yeah, a bachelor's degree in business management and administration. You can also get a certificate on the business. It's not required, but it'll actually benefit you to get either a job or better pay. Um, a few facts that I actually learned is that now Amazon are looking for ways to get their delivery faster, and they actually are beginning to use drones to as the new type of delivery. And so this was actually brought up from the supply chain managers, because since they're looking for innovative ways to either please their customers or try to get things done fast, drones are not going to be used to make it in maybe 30-minute delivery. The same day delivery was already, everybody knows about it, but it was also introduced by the supply chain management people, again, because to make it faster and make people actually pay to get that same day delivery, which actually benefits the company. There's actually been a truck driver shortage, and I actually didn't know about that, but it kind of makes sense because since we're trying to get drones as our new delivery, it's gonna be less of a people type of job and more kind of robotic. So that means not a lot of truck drivers are going to be having jobs because of technology trying to take over kind of their job. And then that's my works cited page. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.